Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back to share with you how to make the granny triangle bandana using the V-stitch. Very easy and quick pattern to make. The V-stitch makes it look pretty and nice, different from the granny square, and also it's very fast to build and to achieve. If you want to see how to make this bandana, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I'm using a medium worsted yarn acrylic and 6mm crochet hook. You can use cotton yarn best for this pattern, medium worsted as well. So I'm gonna start with the slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 2. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same chain. Onto the next row, I'm gonna chain 3 and I will turn. So I've got the chain 1 space in my previous V-stitch. I'm gonna make 2 V-stitches. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and again in the same space 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. In the chain 2 space I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch. And in my last V-stitch, chain 1 space of the previous V-stitch, I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch, which is again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Onto the next row, chain 3. It's basically a repetition of 1 row throughout the work. Just an increase at the beginning of the row. So again, I've got my V-stitch previous one here. I'm gonna make 2 V-stitches. And then 1 V-stitch in the previous V-stitch or chain 1 space. In the chain 2 space I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch. One V-stitch in the previous V-stitch. And in the next chain 1 space from the previous V-stitch, 1 V-stitch. And the last one. And 1 double crochet in the last stitch. So This is how it looks so far. We're gonna continue the same onto the next row. Chain 3, 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space, in the chain 2 space, 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch. And we continue. V-stitch in every chain 1 space. And in the last one, and 1 double crochet in the last row. So we continue the same till 12 rows. So we're gonna do 12 row of granny V-stitch triangle for this bandana. So basically you start the row with a chain 3, then 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space, first chain 1 space, then 1 V-stitch in each chain 1 space until the corner. In the corner, which is a chain 2, you make 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch, and then again 1 V-stitch in each chain 1 space, and you end with 1 double crochet in the last stitch until row 12, and then we'll go to the next step. So this is how the V-stitch granny bandana looks like so far. I have done 12 rows total of the granny V-stitch bandana, and now I'm gonna shape the straps as a final step. So this yarn I'm using is a bit thick, so depending on the gauge I will put in the written pattern, you adjust with the yarn you're using. So I'm gonna chain 20, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and slip stitch in every chain till I'm back to the same point. Here I'm at the end, and I will fasten off and cut the thread. So I'm gonna hide the yarn in between the stitches, and I'm gonna continue to the next side. Okay, now this is one side done. You don't need a long one because the bandana is long enough. So I'm gonna insert the yarn on this side, and I'm gonna chain 20. And the same thing, I'm gonna slip stitch back to the same point and pull through, and then I'll make 2 tight knots to secure the yarn, and I will hide it in between my stitches. Okay, and here is my bandana complete. Very easy to make and quick. One of the many or few bandanas I have made. You have the choice to choose whichever you like to have. I hope you found the tutorial useful and easy. Don't forget to check the written pattern, and if you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.